If you're a student struggling to afford anything other than these dried up, cheap ass noodles that taste like cardboard and cost less than $1 in the supermarket, then I feel you, because I've been there. Going through life as a broke student is far from fun. Now, when I was 18 or 19 years old, the thought of making money online didn't really exist. But nowadays, it's more than possible. And that's why, in the next few minutes, I'm gonna share 15 ways that you as a student can start making a decent income online within the next 30 days. And finally, say goodbye to those crusty old noodles. If you know the difference between a tweet and a TikTok dance, congratulations, because you're ripe for becoming a social media manager. Now, you might think that I'm messing around, and I assure you that I'm not. Starting an SMM side hustle only takes you knowing 10% more than what your client knows. And to give you an idea, I already do this for a couple of my clients and normally charge upwards of $600 a month, while only spending 2 to 3 hours a week managing their channels. Other than dabbling with content creation, scheduling posts and watching the likes roll in, there's not really that much more to it. And starting small doesn't mean small bucks. On Upwork, social media managers are cashing in anywhere from $14 to $35 per hour. And on Fiverr, anywhere from $200 a month for a basic package up to $500 for the premium package. Now, the first misconception I want to debunk here is that you don't need a teaching degree to become an online tutor, because you can start helping students with everything from algebra to website development. If you're a language whiz, then create yourself a profile on one of the many teaching platforms, such as Preply and Cambly to teach ESL learners. This way, you get to set your own rates, and surprisingly, you can even leverage freelancing platforms like Upwork to gain not just teenagers looking to pass their school exams, but also busy professionals ready to take things seriously and pay you the big bucks. Now, if you've never used a virtual assistant before, then you're sorely missing out. In fact, there are expected to be around 30 million freelancing assistants in the market right now, providing full circle services such as scheduling, bookkeeping, email marketing, and even a few with website building and graphic design skills. So whether you're a marketing guru, a data wizard, or a customer service champ, your skills are in demand. On Upwork, virtual assistants are raking in an average of $18 to $35 per hour. If English, journalism, or marketing is your forte, then the world of freelance copywriting is something you need to start. Copywriting is blowing up, earning writers more than $100 per 300 to 400 word copy. So whether it's crafting YouTube scripts, blog posts, TikTok reels, or website content, the possibilities are truly endless. And with the flexibility to do this anywhere in the world with just a laptop, it's probably one of the simplest to get started with. Well, that is until we get to number 9 on our list, of course. Fortunately for you, not everyone has caught on to the use of transcription AI tools. So if you love the mundane job of typing away at your keyboard, then this could be for you. A transcriptionist job is to turn spoken words into letters on a page, or in today's age, a Google Doc. Most of the time, clients will send you a video or some kind of audio file to work on, but on occasion, they could link you into their business meeting in order to take meeting minutes. Freelancing transcriptionists are typing their way to an average of $17 to $22 per hour. But you can also apply and work for other websites such as Scribble and Rev.com. You might not believe it, but your current graphic design skills are probably good enough to start making money from. And with the help of beginner-friendly tools like Canva and Adobe, you can easily enter the freelancing market, designing YouTube thumbnails, logos, channel artwork, and a whole load more. Granted, this niche is already quite saturated with other freelancers offering super low prices, but if you focus on building your portfolio, then you could easily start making $40 to $75 per hour. Alright, it might sound complicated right off the bat, but freelance web design is becoming easier and easier with platforms like Wix, for example. Nowadays, coding is a thing of the past, and all you need to worry about is the user friendliness of the design. However, becoming knowledgeable about builders like WordPress will probably get you further in life than your university or college degree. The demand for quality video editors these days is crazy. Even average video editors are still earning $100 plus per hour. And sure, there is a bit of a learning curve here, but just by using tools like CapCut and Submagic.co, transforming videos into pieces of work that you can charge for is as user-friendly as it gets. On Upwork, video editors are earning between $15 to $30 per hour. However, in my experience, this is definitely on the lower side of things compared to most editors. Okay, here comes the easiest of all. Now, if you've got a keen eye for typos, then becoming a proofreader could be your side hustle. As AI content rises, the demand for error-free copy is real, and I see this every day with the copy my clients send me. Most freelancers are earning on average $25 per hour, but you could make even more money by charging per project. A pretty sweet deal for such an easy task. Right now, outsourcing such a service is huge, not just for consumers, but also for professional photographers with no time to sit in front of the computer and edit. And it's easier than you think to color grade a photo to make it look better. With the abundance of free presets online, most of the time it's a case of just a simple click. And on Fiverr, a great niche to start in would be offering wedding photo editing, with people charging from $45 upwards for 10 to 15 photos. If you speak 2 languages, which a lot of the population do these days, then why not use it on a daily basis to get paid, rather than only waiting for your summer vacation? Again, this is something I've seen a big increase in recently, as people want to advertise their services or products in different countries, and with that comes different languages. Look at Mr. Beast, for example, and the amount of channels he has in other languages. It's becoming more and more popular. And on this gig, you can charge per amount of words, i.e. 500 words will be $100. If Google Docs and Microsoft Suite are your playground, data entry is your go-to. Yes, it sounds boring, but some people enjoy it, and it's really not that hard. You'll basically be given data which needs to be entered into some kind of spreadsheet. But the biggest thing here is that you can't make mistakes. Otherwise, the client will just cut ties with you immediately. So if you think that you can have one eye on the TV while doing the job, think again. Alright, now this is one that you can't technically do online, but it's a great one for a lot of people these days, and that's photography. Now, if you've got a high quality camera, or even the latest iPhone to be honest, you can offer product shoots where clients will send you their goods, and you'll need to take some great photos. Of course, this is more manual work, but with that comes better pay, with a lot of photographers charging on average $45 an hour, or over $300 for a product shoot. If you already have a following on social media or an active and popular blog, then this one can work great. If not, then affiliate marketing will be a bit of a slow burn. You can either join affiliate programs of products you already use and promote them, or find higher ticket items on websites like ClickBank. In fact, you've probably heard of Submagic.co. Well, their affiliate offer is 30% monthly recurring revenue for each person that you sign up, so long as they're still a member. And with the main plan being $50, that's $15 you get every month per person. Alright, this one will take some gear and prep work to make whichever area you decide to record in as sound worthy as possible. Voiceovers are 100% a long-term opportunity which a lot of people are buying. Whether it's commercials, video games, or even YouTube videos, you can either charge hourly, or what most freelancers do is charge per amount of words. But I would recommend some basic voice training first before jumping into this. And there we have it. 15 side hustles that you can start today to make your student journey a little bit more financially friendly. And if you enjoyed this, then go check out my video on the easiest side hustle ever, which you can do right from your phone. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.